Good afternoon, Cougars and parents, and welcome to week 17 of the Cougar Connection. This week's Cougar Connection is going to be a little bit different. We're going to go over the upcoming events for the rest of our year here at Simons Middle School. So we're going to go ahead and get started with this week. On Monday, staff, is the monthly wellness day, so you feel free to wear your athletic gear. Also on Monday, we have an admin meeting at 9 in the morning. We also have content PLCs for ELA and social studies after school. Boys basketball will be home against West Carter, and there are a few of you who are involved in the student council rally at FCHS on Monday. On Tuesday, we will have a SPED PLC at 1 o'clock in the conference room. Leadership team will meet after school at 3:15, and we do have some ILP work going on Tuesday with Ms. Ratliff and Ms. Cooper's groups, and on Wednesday with Ms. Roberts' students. Also on Wednesday, we have MAP testing for reading intervention classes and restraint training after school at FES. On Thursday, we have basketball, boys basketball versus Mason County here at home. We also have a PLC day on Thursday, and there will be content PLCs after school for science and math. Also during the day on Thursday, we will be testing students for math intervention for MAP testing. On Friday, students, don't forget to wear your Canwell Must shirts. It is also Kona Ice Day on Friday. On Monday, December the 9th, we have our content PLCs for ELA and social studies. Boys basketball will be away at Brown County. Tuesday of next week, we have a SPED PLC at 1 o'clock. We also have Aspiring Administrators Cohort after school. Wednesday of next week, we will have a faculty meeting after school, as well as the football banquet. Next Thursday, content PLCs on Thursday afternoon in science and in math, and boys basketball will be at East Carter. On Friday, as always, Canwell Must shirts, and we have the CBI trip for Miss Johnson's students. We also are having the community Christmas breakfast here at SMS at 7 in the morning on next Friday, the 13th. Also, the next day after that, which is December the 14th, and that is a Saturday, we will be having the annual winter dance sponsored by the Beta Club. That begins at 7, parents, and it is over at 9. The last week before Christmas break, we do have several activities going on. This is going to be our week when we benchmark test. So parents, if you'll take a look at that schedule, on Monday, all students will be benchmark testing in reading. On Tuesday, benchmark testing in math. Wednesday, science and social studies. And on Thursday, students will be benchmark testing in on-demand writing. All makeup testing will be done on Thursday and Friday of that week. So students, it's really important that you have good attendance so that you may attend the field trips that are going on Friday. So also you can see there's several activities going on after or this last week before Christmas break. Staff, our ornament exchange is going to be after school that week on Wednesday, and we're also going to have the Christmas staff dinner on Thursday during the day for lunch. Also, parents and students, don't forget that last Friday before Christmas break, we do have all of our reward trips going on. So please make sure, students, that you check with your teachers and you get your money turned in for those types of things. That is all that we have this week for the Cougar Connection. We will see everybody back here tomorrow. Let's have another great week.